ẹ̀yin tèmi nílé ẹ má gbé kúrò ńbẹ̀ ẹ má wo Bísí Ológe show ẹ ṣáà rí.
And not fade away. So we're happy it's back. I mean, we wish him the very best, really. Myself and my crew.
Are you expecting this night because it's a comedy show?
Comedy, a lot of laughter, a lot of fun, a lot of demonstration, a lot of dance. You know, the best, really.
And lastly, ma'am, can you tell us if you can remember your first movie audition? What was it? What year? Who were the star actors, if there were any? And were you scared to audition? And did you get the part?
I think my very first audition was in 1995. Yes, there's a place we used to call Winnie's in Surulere. Yeah, that was it. And I think then the star actors there were people like Charles Okafor, were like Mr. Ibu, and lots of others like that. And Sanuko, yeah. And yes, I got a role.
So were you scared that when you were doing the audition?
No, I wasn't scared. You know, it was an audition, but I'd been on TV prior to that period, so I wasn't really scared.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Before you go, just say hi. My name is Doi Koya, and this is my first movie audition.
Yeah, this is my what?
First movie audition.
So that one I have to be timid though. Hi, my name is Doi Koyi, and this is my first movie audition.
Alright, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Well, let me just say good day. If you're watching in the morning, you're watching in the evening. This is First TV Africa, and we are live here. Laugh Matters with Will Garden and guys, it's not easy. For someone to have been traveling far and wide over 20 years, and finally Lagos at last. Because and I'm sure people will enjoy their self tonight. Definitely. Because Will Garden do less. Okay, you are not here, you are busy.
What can you say about being Garden Yinka?
Okay, just like I said earlier, I've been in for the past 12 years. It's not easy, you know. It's not easy. Even at that, we have been pushing through. When you told the man for the past 12 years, and sincerely, I can say even at the Laugh Matters platform, even people like me, the face out there. Thank God for his life.
Thank you. Your name once again?
Abalai Ismail. You are watching First TV Africa.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you. God bless you.